Good morning, everyone. This is your Nilofer ma'am. I hope you all are fine at your homes and your study is going well. So, as you all know that we are doing the syllabus of internal assignment 3. Our subject is English literature, and in today's video I will explain you worksheet 7, which is related to lesson 4B. Topic of the poem is Chivi, and the poet of the poem is Michael Rosen. So as you all have seen that till now we have done the word meanings, make sentences and question answers related to the poem, and in today's video I will explain you the explanation of the lines which is given in the poem only. So like always, before starting the work you all have to mention today's date in your copies, that is 5 August 2021. With this you have to mention online classwork in your copies, and with this you have to mention lesson 4B in your copies. Then you have to write the heading, that is explanation. So the heading is explain the following lines with reference to context. We have to explain the given lines with reference to context. Reference means in this one we tell that what is the name of the poem and who is the poet of the poem, and in context we tell the feelings of the lines. So these are the lines which I am going to explain you. Grown ups say things like speak up, don't talk with your mouth full, don't stare, don't point, don't pick your nose. Second paragraph is sit up, say please, less noise, shut the door behind you, don't drag your feet, haven't you got a hanky, take your hands out of your pocket. Pull your socks up, stand up straight, say thank you, don't interrupt, no one thinks you are funny, take your elbows off the table, can't you make your own mind up about anything. So it is the whole poem, that is Chivi, and now we will do the explanation of the above lines. So first of all we will do the reference. In this we will tell that what is the name of the poem and who is the poet of the poem. Let's see. These lines are extracted from the poem Chivi composed by Michael Rosen. So the lines which are given here, they are extracted, they are taken from the poem Chivi and composed by Michael Rosen. Now let's see the context, and in context we have to tell that what is the feelings of the lines. Let's see. This poem deals with the feelings of kids who feel irritated by their elders because they constantly instruct the children for do's and don'ts. So this poem deals with the feelings of kids, the kids who are irritated by their elders because the elders constantly instruct the children for do's and don'ts. They constantly tell the children what to do and what not to do. Now let's see the explanation of the lines. In this poem, the poet points out a series of instructions given by the grown-ups to children, which was also given to him in his childhood. So basically in this poem, the poet points out a series of instructions because a lot of instructions are given to the children by the grown-ups, and the instructions were given to the poet also in his childhood. Adults constantly instruct the children for do's and don'ts like speak up, don't talk while eating, sit up, don't make noise, shut the door when you leave the room, don't drag your feet, don't stare someone, don't point, don't pick your nose, etc. So the adults, the grown-ups, continuously instruct the children for do's and don'ts like speak up, don't talk when you are eating, sit up, don't make noise, shut the door when you leave the room, don't drag your feet means walk properly, don't stare someone, don't look at someone continuously, don't point anything, don't pick your nose, etc. They also direct the children, don't you have a hanky to use? They also instruct and direct the children that don't you have a hanky to use? Take your hands out of your pocket, pull your socks up, say thank you when you get something, don't do funny things because no one thinks you are funny, and take your elbows off the table. They also tell them that to take out the hands from the pocket, to pull the socks up, to say thank you when they get something, and they also tell the children not to do funny things because they say no one thinks you are funny. They also tell the children to take the elbows off the table. These instructions are being issued by the adults to their young ones, but on the other hand, adults feel that the children should make up their own mind. So these instructions are constantly being given to the children by the elders, and on the other hand, they also feel that the children should take their own decisions themselves. The child is unable to decide anything for himself because from the starting he is being instructed for what to do and what not to do. He is not certain about anything, and it is really ironical when the children are asked to take decision for themselves. Ironical means it is really funny that every time it is being told to the children that what to do and what not to do, and then they are asked to take their decision themselves. So this was the explanation of the poem Chivi, which I have explained you. I hope everything is clear to all of you. If still any confusion is there, so you can ask me on the WhatsApp also. I'll meet you in the another explanation video. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.